Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to start Facebook Live. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you are there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right and head over to your profile. From here, scroll down and just tap on what's on your mind. And once you tap it, you will find several options down below. And here, tap on live video in the bottom of check-in. And here you will find several options like you can turn on or off your flash, mute your mic, rotate the screen, use some stickers or enhance your video, or add any text. You can add a description, and once you are okay with it, just tap on go live and you will be live on your Facebook. So yeah, this is how easy it is to start a Facebook Live. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.